Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one, quickly I will show you how to remove an Instagram account on Meta Business Suite. Alright guys, so you can just go to the settings quickly, and after that, as you can see, we have our pages, and in the pages in here, you will have your Instagram. Also, you can go to Instagram accounts, and it's going to be here as well. And as you can see, I can't use this portfolio to advertise, it's just a dummy account. Yeah, when you see your Instagram, I will show you what to do next. All right, so pretty much you just go to your business assets, then you find your Instagram account. As you can see, we have the different tabs in here. And in here, as you can see, we have multiple of these buttons in here, the three dots. You just click on this and remove from business account. And of course, also guys, make sure to choose a proper account, right? So from which you wish to delete your Insta. So you choose the portfolio first, and then you go to the settings and you remove it from here. So hopefully this was insightful and helpful. If it was, click on the notification bell to not miss the new videos we upload, like the video and subscribe.